So today, a really nice day, unexpectedly nice day. I just can't wait to get out on the open road. I know the winter is coming. It's on a freight train, an express freight train to get here, but we do have these last few days where it's rideable, and I thought today would be a good day to go up to Griffith Park, even though probably the roads will be wet and sloppy because we had a couple days of rain. But right now, this time of year, I'll take any riding day I can, any of them. This is truly a most unusual day. I checked the weather this morning, and it's supposed to be appropriate to get a ride in. There's really no chance of rain. But as I'm looking at the weather report, in a couple of days we're supposed to have good chance of snow and indefinitely snow. So I think rather than working on the FZR today, which was the original plan, I think I'm going to get maybe my last riding day before they salt the roads and ruin the conditions for riding for a while. One of the things I really hate is having a day that I ride and have to come back and spend that hour desalting the bike. That is so annoying. So anyway, what I have to do here is play musical everything and move everything around, and but anyway, we'll save him for the next day that we can't ride. But there'll be part two. That's pretty much ready to put back together. So once I'm done playing parking lot attendant, moving everything around, oh boy, it's looking like it's going to be better and better as the morning warms up here. I'm real excited. And you never know when this season is going to end, and the snow plows are going to be coming down the street, and that's why we never miss a chance to ride. Even though we certainly have about 10 things left on our winter do list here, but we want to get out and get a ride today while we can. So early in the morning, this is what we have to deal with, and if I don't wait and do my little house chores, I'm be riding around in this, and sometimes yeah, but this could be frost. We've had a couple days of frost already. Yep, we'll give it an hour, we'll let the roads dry up. Well, once everything dries up, the driveway's even soaking wet. Oh, it looks like it's going to be a beautiful day. You know, it's like torture because you know it's going to end very, very soon. So the way this played out today, I'm just going to wait. We're one day away from having this ready for another test ride. Or if that leak persists, then we got to move to plan B. And the RD is actually ready for another test ride, but Luciano's working on his H1. He asked me to just wait until he gets done so we can have a two-stroke day, or a snowplow day, I'm not sure. Anyway, that's coming. I hope before the snow really kills us. But there's a lesson I learned a long time ago. Whenever you get a chance to ride, because you never really know when it's going to be the end of the cookie jar. And of course, Merry Christmas from Wendy and Karen. We are excited about this holiday season. We've been sequestered, except for my little motorcycle rides, but we certainly wish your family a Merry Christmas. So before I head out for a ride, I got to look at what cookies are being baked today. What do we call these? Blue velvet?
No, these are macaroons.
Blue macaroons. Oh, I'll think about this all during the ride. Oh. So between the macaroons and an extra cup of coffee, oh my God, Santa, we might gain weight over this Christmas season. Well, the roads are still a little damp, but we're going to get out of here early. It's just too nice of a day to waste. What a day. Whew. Looks wonderful. Should actually be up in the 40s very soon. It's officially time to go. thank the healthcare workers. You guys just do a spectacular job keeping us able to get these rides in, keeping our families safe. And the biggest thing right now, I got a big problem. I got to clean this bike. Now check this out. After a ride like today, look at this. Unacceptable. Oh my God. Back wheel, filthy dirty. Still some chain lube coming off from that new chain. But it'll be a joy. It'll be a lot of fun. But the first thing I got to do is see how the macaroons are doing. So I come home. It was cold. The roads were wet and sloppy, but we still had a great ride. But now, this is the best part of the ride. Let's see how they taste. Karen, they're fabulous.
Which did you have?
Ah, they're wonderful. Oh, those macaroons are fabulous, if you only knew. But look, it was a beautiful blue sky day, but the roads were really sloppy and wet and full of salt and everything. And I never put the bike away without cleaning it. So now it's the best, well, the best half hour to 45 minutes of motorcycling, cleaning off the salt. So I hope you enjoyed the video. And of course, share it with your friends and eat plenty of macaroons. Thanks for watching. Oh, those macaroons went down so good. Anyway, we do try to post up something every day or so, and we're constantly working on projects. The projects evolve, they change, the schedule changes. We never really know what's going from day to day, but it always is something interesting, something we try to share with our friends who share the passion of motorcycling. Now, in this case, and I have some pictures when this was my anticipated assembly, and we were looking at it like it was a Street Fighter, and glad I took some of these pictures when we put the wheels on the first time, and I got to see them in real life. And those wheels were truly a labor of love, and they are on somewhere on the previous channel. You just dial in at 650R Restoration. I think it's about a year old now, but hey, when it was done, we got to go out for some test rides, and they were just sweet. This bike is always a joy to ride, always fun, good on gas, never breaks, never gives you a hard time. You never come back with a backache. It's a bike. It's a keeper. It's worth keeping. And I'm so glad I did the restoration, 500-hour restoration. Anyway, hope you did enjoy the video, and we try to share the passion of motorcycling and the passion of riding and working on them, and hope you enjoy it too, and thanks so much for watching.